Tell me now, if somebody has to have an IPO today, and with the current situation of the share markets
Yeah.
and which are always booming nowadays, as an advice, what would you recommend to list their stuff on their companies, on the IPOs, on the Bombay Stock Exchange or the National Stock Exchange? What is your view?
So I think pretty much, these issues happen. The NSE is, I think, very much the exchange of choice. But
Yes.
the fact is that the markets are really booming today, and the ability of companies to list and get the support, subject to them being at the right price, right businesses, is now enormous. And SEBI has a huge job trying to approve these. And I think where we are benefiting today is that we have this huge Indian mutual fund savings investments universe,
Right.
which can support these stocks. That we are no longer just dependent on the FII, the foreign investor universe, which actually drove our markets, but would have also determined the success of these issues.
Right.
I mean, the IPOs that I did in my time were all basically marketing into the foreign markets, so that the big money came in. They were the anchor investors.
Yes.
Less critical now, fortunately.
Yes.
So what we've got now is a very healthy IPO market. If at all, my worry is that is there too much hubris out there? Is there the pricing, the valuations? We are getting scenarios where more and more retail investors are coming in, fortunately through mutual funds. So hopefully there's some mutual fund manager who's managing this in a way that works.
When you say mutual funds, or you mean SIPs as well?
So both. So the SIPs are SIPs into mutual funds. So I'm treating the SIP as the mutual fund. It goes into a mutual fund. The mutual fund manager decides where to invest. But what we've had in the past is also when your taxi driver and bus conductor is also investing in shares, you don't want to find that they're picking it up when the markets are up there, and then their hard-earned savings drop. Equity markets are a lottery. Equity markets by definition are risky.
Right.
And I worry when you get this huge sort of flow of we can only make money scenario, because that's not what equity markets are about over time.
Right.
Certainly looks great today,
Yes.
and is very important part of capital that is flowing as savings. So Indians always saved well, but the savings are now going into investment, which is going into creation of capital for the country.
For the country.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's going into companies who will invest it and hopefully grow the manufacturing base of the country and the capital of the country.